Hi Gemini, welcome to my channel Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting 25th of April. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now let's quickly go ahead and see what this particular week has in store for you. So the first card that I see for you is the Strength card. You have the 10 of Swords and you have the Judgment card. Your person has the King of Cups, the High Priestess and the Knight of Wands. Bottom of the deck I have the Tower card, so it could be either you or your person who is currently in that Tower energy, wherein there's something that will go ahead and hit this relationship in the future, and you and your person is not currently seeing that it's going to come. Okay, so anything that is faulty is going to crumble and it is going to fall in the ground, so that you can build this relationship again on a stable background, on a stable foundation, where you don't have deceit, you don't have lies, you don't have any miscommunication between you and your person. So what I see for you is you have the Strength card. With that, you could be dealing with a Leo, or you will need a lot of strength to handle this situation currently, because the very next card for you shows the 10 of Swords. With that energy, it means that you are feeling the burden of this relationship and you feel backstabbed. With 10 of Swords, you feel backstabbed. There was something that was done where you were not informed about something, and you feel that this is something that your person should have informed you. Now what has happened is, after this backstabbing that has happened, okay, you have gone ahead and done a lot of self-reflection, and that has opened your third eye over here. With the third eye opening up, you have taken up a judgment call, okay, on how you want to proceed in this particular relationship. Do you want to put in any effort again, or do you really want to go ahead and move in a totally different direction? Now what I see for your person is they have the King of Cups energy. With the King of Cups, this person has a lot of love for you, but the challenge with the King of Cups is they do not go ahead and express their feelings like a normal person, okay, which means that when they are in that energy, they will not go ahead and express their feelings to you the way a normal person would, and that is where you might find, or you might feel as well, that this person is not interested in you. Now there are some secrets that maybe this person is currently hiding, and that could be a reason why they are not sharing their feelings with you. There's another card that I see for your person, which is the Knight of Wands. With the Knight of Wands, this person is somebody who wants to just rush in, have a good time and walk out. So that could be another reason why this person is not talking too much, because at times that this person might go ahead and show you that they really care for you, but there's also this one small part in them, okay, that wants to go ahead and have just a very nice time with you, have the physical pleasures and just walk away. So that's also something that this person thinks about. Okay, now let's go ahead and see what is the intention of this person for you for this particular week. So the first card that I see for you is the Hanged Man. With that energy, this person is currently confused. They're not sure what they want to go ahead and do, so they're currently in that Hanged Man stage, where you're just stuck and you don't know what else to do. Let's take another card. That's the King of Swords. With the King of Swords energy, this person is in that energy that in case if they have been backstabbed, okay, and you want to go ahead and tell them something, then be ready, because this person will not take any BS, okay. They are in that energy right now. Another intention that I see for this person is the Five of Swords. With the Five of Swords energy, this person is willing to fight, okay. Now it could be they are willing to fight for this relationship, or they are willing to fight for something that they are standing for. That could be any secret, that could be this relationship, but whatever they are standing up for, they will fight for that even when the others are not there, okay. So they'll still go ahead and fight till the last breath. Now let's take one card here, which is the intention of this person, and we'll go ahead and quickly see what is the message from Archangels. So another card that I see here is the Four of Wands. With the Four of Wands energy, this person definitely wants commitment, but maybe there are certain things that they need to sort out first, and only then they can move to the Four of Wands energy. Now let's take one card here to see what is the message from Archangels and a crystal that can help you in this situation. So the crystal that I see here is copper. The crystal message is, do you need some motivation to transform your life? Do you find your mind wandering when you are trying to stay focused? If so, you need to find your passion and begin experiencing the rewards that come with living it. Do what you love, prosperity is yours, but you must take action. So this is definitely telling you to take action. Now the message here from Archangel Zadkiel, I'll put that in the description box. You can read it out from there. That's all I have for you for this particular week. If you like the content of the video, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Until the next video, stay safe, love yourself first.